Arrive in style with this Ram 2018 2500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Sport Appearance Group included, front performance tune shock absorbers, body color fender flares, heated steering wheel, black headlamp bezels, body color grille with Ram painted front bumper, painted rear bumper, black painted exterior mirrors, heated front seats, body color door handles, instrument panel, premium bezel, power adjust 10-way driver seat, park sense front rear park assist system, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, auto dim exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, LED interior lighting, black power fold-away mirrors, highline door trim panel, rear performance tune shock absorbers, power folding mirrors. Engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs Cummins turbo diesel badge, current generation engine, controller diesel exhaust.